erase. Okay, number 4. Wag ako. Pangit ng boses ko eh. Number 4. Down.
Oh, good.
Yay!
Yay!
Parang F.
Okay, number 6.
Number 5
Number
naman.
5, okay, number
5.
five.
Siguro baliktad. Parang ano.
Where's the
What is
belly?
number 7?
Yeah.
Number 5. You use the pen.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay, number 5.
5. Are you done? Okay, number 6.
Okay, number 6. It's like a C, but it has a little circle.
6.
6. Put a letter C. Make a letter C. Ay, baliktad.
Baliktad ulit.
Okay, go.
Turn to the right. Turn to the right.
Right here.
Right.
No, right here. No, right
Oo,
here.
nakikiano rin.
Right there. And then go here. Go like this. Yeah.
Yay! G! Okay,
C.
that G. Okay, you
G
erase.
daw. Okay, erase it.
Okay,
Galing.
letter J.
Letter
J. As
Alam
in
niya yan.
Jack.
Name niya yan. J.
J. Oh, ang galing nga. Talagang may ano pa sa taas ah. Yay! Parang tilang. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, how about B?
B.
Para naalala niya yung mga B. This way ha, this way. You go.
Yan, na ano niya kanina eh.
B. Show to daddy.
Yeah.
Wow!
Letter E. I want letter E.
Oh, letter E. Like
Okay,
elephant.
that's very
E.
easy.
Like
E.
elephant.
Iniisip niya. E.
E.
E. Gwapo kaya ni Jack o kamukha ko.
Hindi ko tinuruan yan ha. Siya lang yan ha.
Ay, very good!
Ah!